Today we're looking at Sony's new flagship, the Xperia XZ3. It comes in black, red or this exclusive green colour, only available at Carphone Warehouse. And if you do buy it from us, you'll get another great exclusive, all 7 episodes of the award-winning Blue Planet 2 that you can download or stream from the Play Store. Just search Sony promo Blue Planet 2. The XZ3 is perfect for watching your favourite TV shows and movies because it's packed with the tech designed to keep you entertained. It's got a sharp 6-inch Bravia OLED display, powerful front-facing speakers and a dynamic vibration system so you can now see it, hear it and feel it. The display uses the same award-winning OLED TV technology that's in Sony's famous Bravia A series OLED TV range, so it really does look stunning. Now, watching all those Blue Planet episodes has inspired us to create our own marine life videos, which explains why we've ended up here in South London's brilliant Horniman Museum. Unlike David Attenborough and his team, we're not filming underwater today. Even though the XZ3 is water resistant, I'm sure we'll still come up with some pretty epic footage. So let's get started. So here are the results of my filmmaking efforts. The XZ3 shoots video in 4K HDR, so everything looks incredibly sharp and detailed and nothing hides in the shadows thanks to the Xperia XZ3's incredible low light capabilities. With HDR, you can conquer backlit scenes like this one in true to life colors, and that super slow-mo footage in 960 frames per second full HD resolution adds a real touch of drama. The XZ3 really does let you shoot like a pro, and when it comes to still photography, the 19 megapixel motion eye main camera has a few tricks up its sleeve. AI seems a bit of a buzzword in the industry at the moment, but it's easy to forget how long Sony have been pioneering in this area. There's another AI feature called Smart Launch. It uses AI to instantly prepare your camera when you hold your phone up in landscape mode and sets everything up for a perfectly framed shot. Okay, so we've just got enough time to dive into some specs. Now, the Snapdragon processor is 25% faster than its predecessor, there's heaps of storage, and the battery life is fantastic. It lasts a full day of normal use and has a smart stamina mode to keep you powered up for even longer. The XZ3 also has some clever charging tech that really looks after the battery. And that's the XZ3. If you'd like to immerse yourself in that stunning Bravia OLED display every day of the week, you know what to do. Tap the link on screen now and place your order at Carphone Warehouse.